New Jersey weather doesn't hold back, and your roof takes all the damage. At Elegant Exteriors, we're not your average roofing company. We're GAF Master Elite certified and Owens Corning certified, which puts us in the two of the highest certifications in the industry. That means your roof is being handled by professionals who are trained, tested, and nationally trusted. But we're more than just credentials. Our business is built on honesty, fair pricing, and doing right by every homeowner we work with. You won't find hidden fees, rushed jobs, or sales pressure here. We offer top-tier quality at the best price, and we back it up with warranties that actually protect you, not just check a box. And if our certifications aren't enough to convince you, just check out our reviews. Real people, real homes, real results. You're not just hiring a roofer, you're hiring peace of mind. At Elegant Exteriors, we rip off your roof, not you. Call us at 256-NEW-ROOF or visit www.elegant-exteriors-llc.com.